Alright guys, well this is my first video I've ever done. Just wanted to do a quick video because I've seen a lot of videos out there on how to take out the half shaft out of the C4 Corvette. I have a 96, and a lot of videos they tell you to unscrew this, unscrew that, take this out. Well, I found a way to take it out without unbolting anything. I don't know if anybody has figured this out, but I haven't seen a video of it. So once you guys manage to get this damn half shaft loose, everything was rusted, so I had to bang this shit out. Once you manage to get it unstuck, you take out the caps from both sides to give it a little more wiggle room, and then you should be able to push it right over and out. Alright, so, and then after that you'll have it loose. See, it's loose. Alright, so what you can do is you grab a jack, and I have this piece here I bought before I got this quick jack to lift it from the differential. You can go and lift the leaf spring just enough to make room to get the half shaft out. A little bit more. Alright, let's see. There you go. And you get it out without unbolting anything. Not messing with any alignment. And then you just lower it back down, and then you just repeat the same process to put it back in there. Pretty straightforward. Sorry if it's not too informative or anything. This is my first video. Just wanted to do a quick video, see if maybe this will probably help somebody out, because I've seen some videos of people taking apart a whole bunch of shit to do this, and this is way easier. Alright, thanks.